welcome to my YouTube channel. This will be my first long video upload here. I'm so glad to be here. I've always wanted to open a YouTube channel for a while, but I don't know why I was so scared to do it. Now I feel so fun doing it. So I'm going to be painting. I started a painting challenge for myself days ago. I plan on making 30 random paintings for the next 30 days. And here are the tools I'm going to be using to paint today: acrylic paint and paint brushes. So after I have put all my materials together, there's one thing I love doing, which is recycling. I love recycling my table water bottles into brush holders where I mix and rinse my brushes while painting. So here I'm going to cut and hold water bottle into a small cup water holder for my painting process. So this is day 3 of my 30 days painting challenge, and today I am painting a coffee cup. This is the end of day 3. I love the outcome. What do you think I should paint for day 4? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.